Shelby.
We're under a tornado watch now.
A tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development
I
of
literally
severe
called
weather,
it.
including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging
I literally
winds
called it.
in
I literally
and
called
close
it.
to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 7.
Why don't you activate?
Until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Screw
and
it,
now includes
dude.
the following counties in Alabama: Blunt, Chilton, Jefferson, and Shelby.
Well, crap. I think I know why we're under a tornado watch.
Tornado Watch number 7 remains in effect until 5 p.m.
Because
Central
there was
Standard Time
there was
for the
one
following
going
counties
northeast
in
of Hale
Alabama:
County.
Bibb,
Tornado
Jefferson,
going northeast.
Shelby, Tuscaloosa,
Hale.
and Walker. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes.
Wow. Tornado warning.
Has issued a tornado warning for Northern Perry County, southeastern Bibb County, until 12:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:03 p.m. Central Standard Time.
That's
a
near
severe
us, but at least we're not in that
thunderstorm
county.
tornado was located
The
near
county's
area,
nearby, but
moving
it's
northeast
not in
at 40
Jefferson.
miles
Thank
per
God.
hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation.
Oh God.
Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Well, looks like it's going
Damage to
northeast. That's
roofs,
not good.
Windows and vehicles will
That
occur.
could actually.
Tree
oh,
damage
no.
is likely. Locations impacted.
Oh, this is
include
exactly
Red,
the opposite
Perry,
of what I
Centerville,
thought would
Talladega
happen.
National Forest, Hybriger, West Centerville, Randolph, Trio, Morgan Springs, Folsom, Allards, and Bibb County Airport. Take cover now.
It's
Move
going
to a
northeast,
basement
and
or
that
interior
means
room
that
on the lowest floor of a
it
sturdy
could end
building.
up in Jefferson.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Clean this area up.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Bibb, Alabama.
Okay then.
Tornado watch number 7 remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Blunt, Chilton, Jefferson, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. Remember, a
Tornado watch.
Tornado watch number 8, effective until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Coosa and St. Clair. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 8 has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Coosa and St. Clair.
Alright, we should be in the clear for now.
A tornado warning.
Oh my God. Another tornado warning.
Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for Central Chilton County until 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Maplesville or 11 miles southwest of Jemison, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation.
It's a pouring hell outside,
Flying debris
dude.
will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clanton, Jemison, Thorsby,
This is a
Jefferson County
freaking
Motorsports
tornado
Park,
outbreak
Gap of the
or
Mountain,
something,
Lay
dude.
Lake Dam, Lay Lake, Mitchell Lake, Lomax.
Because y'all, I missed a tornado warning because it ran out of storage.
Move
So I
to a
gotta leave
basement or an
stuff.
interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
And it was another one for Bibb County.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Alabama. National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Coosa County until 2:30 p.m.
Oh, God.
Central Standard
Okay.
Time. At 1:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado.
My device has to charge, so I'm in here catching alerts on the first alert in the Eton Zone Guard. Oh God. Okay.
Flying debris will be dangerous to
Is-
those
this is-
without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
We got some dangerous storms over here too.
Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Weogufka, Stewartville, Unity, Marble Valley, Lay Lake, Strickland Crossroads, Mitchell Lake, and Paint Creek. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Coosa, Alabama.
Well done.
A tornado warning for northeastern Elmore County, central Tallapoosa County, southeastern Coosa County, until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:21 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over western Lake Martin.
East Central
or near
Alabama.
Equality, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
What the fuck?
Hazard, tornado.
Okay.
Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Missed the alert
Mobile
though.
homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Dadeville, Camp Hill, Equality, Jackson's Gap, East
I had that
Lake Martin, Western
set
Lake
for
Martin,
KIH
Southern Lake
58,
Martin,
so that way,
Cowaliga Bridge,
like,
Wind Creek State
just in
Park,
case,
Stillwaters Resort,
like when it
Northern
enters
Park,
Georgia, maybe I can
Susannah
get alerts
Crossing,
from West
Maxwell
Georgia.
Gunter Recreation Area, Deer Park and Blue Creek Marina.
I'm not too
Take
sure if I
cover
will be
now.
able to or not.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial
God.
shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until
frozen.
3 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Coosa, Alabama. Tornado watch number 8 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama. Coosa. Tornado watch number 7 has been canceled for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Blunt, Jefferson, and Shelby. Repeating, the tornado watch number 7 has been canceled for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Blunt, Jefferson, and Shelby.
Thank God.
Tornado watch number 7 remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Chilton, Alabama.